Yalla. Got a six-pack, nothing to do. I got a six-pack, talking to you.
The rest of it, so who's to blame? Six pack. They say I'm the first of all time. Six pack. When the dude's a waste of time. Six pack. I know it'll be okay. I get a six pack in me. Alright. My girlfriend asked me which one I like better. Six pack. I hope the answer won't upset her. Six pack, I rolled a bottle in my mouth. Six pack, I got a stick so I'll never run out. Six pack, I know it'll be okay.